Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to open extended search using keyboard shortcuts in WhatsApp Web on your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to find what you're looking for in your chats. Let's dive right in and see how you can use this handy feature. First things first, you'll need to open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Simply launch your preferred web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, you're ready to use the extended search feature. Here's the cool part. You can access it with just 2 keystrokes. All you need to do is press the Alt key and the K key simultaneously. That's right, just Alt plus K and you're in. As soon as you hit Alt plus K, you'll notice a search bar appear at the top of your chat list. This is the extended search feature, and it's incredibly powerful. You can now type in any keyword, phrase, or even emoji that you want to find in your chats. The extended search will look through all your conversations, making it super easy to find that important message or file you've been looking for. Whether it's a phone number someone sent you last week or a funny meme from months ago, this feature has got you covered. Remember, this shortcut works only on the PC version of WhatsApp Web. It's a real time saver, especially if you use WhatsApp for work or manage multiple group chats. So there you have it. Opening extended search in WhatsApp Web is as simple as Alt plus K. Give it a try and see how much time it saves you. Happy searching, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.